To adjust the engine idle, you will need a number 8 wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Use a wrench or other tools to remove the gearbox, but do not take it off the chain. Adjust the side bolt of the engine. Turning it clockwise will raise the idle speed, while turning it counterclockwise will lower the idle speed. Listen to the engine sound and observe its behavior after starting to adjust the idle speed. Adjust the idle speed so that after starting the engine, when no one is riding, the dirt bike will not automatically move forward. If the engine idle is set too high, the bike will gradually move forward. If the idle is set too low, it may be difficult to start or could stall after starting. After adjustment, reassemble the gearbox.